That's how the solar panel used to look before we got a small amount of rain. You can see how dusty it is. We've been experiencing drought in the area. We haven't get any rainfall in a couple months now, but recently we got 0.33 inch of rain. It was able to make a big difference. You can see how the rain was able to wash off the dust to the edge of this black roof, and you can clearly see now there's a reflection on top of the solar panel. I believe the angle of the solar panel play a major factor on how easily a small amount of water was able to wash all the dust off. Those two solar panels are at a lower angle and the dust did not completely wash off with the small amount of rainfall. Usually, we do not experience drought in this area. Hopefully, we get some rainfall in the near future. Officials said it could take 10 inches of rain to meaningfully improve condition in our area. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.